been years since I've driven a manual car. I never drove on the left hand side. It's gonna be fun.
Hout Bay is our first stop. We are taking a cruise to Duiker Island, which is a very small island fully covered by seals.
Welcome to Duiker Island.
In the past, the Cape of Good Hope was supposed to be the southernmost point in all the continent of Africa. It is not, but it's still very beautiful. Today it was such a full day, we even forgot to eat. Totally worth it.
But there are baboons. No way.
We booked a random hotel and this is the view. And as we were expecting yesterday, the view from the terrace is unbelievable. Good morning from Boulders Bay. Good morning, South Africa! Today we're going from Boulders Bay to Hermanus, going for whale watching. Right now, totally lost in Hermanus. What? No whale watching today?
What happened?
Big wave was bigger than expected.
Che troia. Show the damages.
A little bit of blood there. That's the main damage. We'll fix this. Otherwise, no, we'll fix this. There's no otherwise. This very little misstep made us stay in Hermanus for the day.
Today was a rough day. Leonardo survived a tough accident, so we decided to go for the Italian comfort food, pizza.
Definitely not your everyday Italian pizza. Banana, bacon with added gorgonzola cheese and onions.
Here we have bacon, mushrooms, onions, and avocado.
Pizza is amazing. 11 out of 10. Today is the day that we woke up the earliest. What's the fun activity we have in mind? laundry. That's what the sunrise looks like in Hermanus.
While watching, not impressed.
I need you to save my life. We broke this. We did it! We repaired the broken piece. So this is Hout Bay.